watching, and see you there. I can't believe that I forgot that I have to go to the other lessons for my college since I'm 16. So anyway, let's just learn about things. Polar bears are awesome. Okay, let's read. Growing to over 8 feet long and weighing up to 600 pounds, polar bears are the largest and strongest land predators in the world. Awesome. After I read that, let's go to other pictures. Other pictures. Picture. Okay, let's go to my other place. Yeah, let's learn about. No, I'm not gonna learn about that. I'm gonna learn about that. 6 hours later. Finally, I'm done with all these videos. Okay, I guess I can go to work now. That's not what I meant. I can go to work now. Oh, these are those useless things that I don't care about. And that I don't have to do. Okay, first let me just look around town, because my work starts in 2 hours, so I can still, walk around town, and maybe take some pictures and record. Let's see, let's look over here. Let's go to that, whatever. I don't want to be in the pet store. I don't need pet store. Now I'm gonna be all dirty. I gotta go take a shower now. But first I can just go in here. Oh, okay. Oh, this is the other room for my college that I already went through after I was watching the videos. Since now they let us win a prize, so let's win a prize. Let's win a prize. I get 5 tries. So now my second try. Oh, I didn't win anything. 3 more tries. 2 more tries. This is my happy song and I'm gonna play it. Yay! I want something. I want a fox plushie. Keep. Okay, last try. Maybe I can win something. Yeah! I want something. I want a rhino plushie. Keep. Okay, now I gotta go to work. So since I work at 2 places, first I gotta go to the first place. Where was it? Oh yeah, I work actually at 3 places. First, I work at the cocoa store. So yeah, I'm just gonna give customers. Oh, you want a coffee with marshmallows? Okay. In that mug, what color red? Okay. Hey, actually, you want milk? Okay, milk with marshmallows. And what would you like on top of it? Chocolate chips? Okay. Perfect. Here, enjoy your drink. Here, I'm gonna bring it to you right now. Here you go. 2 hours later. Finally. Now let's go to my other work. Where was that? Oh, it was here. I forgot. But first, let me go down the slide. I wonder where my sister is. Well, I'm gonna find out later. Woo! One more slide and I'm going to work since we got 5 minutes left. Woo! 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 Yeah. Okay. Boss, I'm here. Okay, please make drinks for the customers. Okay. Let's see. Can I please have a banana smoothie and I want 4 smoothies, 2 banana smoothies, 1 orange smoothie, and 1 strawberry smoothie. Coming up. Okay. First, let me make that first banana one. No. Banana, banana. No, no. Banana. No. Banana. 1 more banana. Okay. Yeah, I want the first one. Let me just buy another one. Okay. Banana. No. Banana. 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 Okay. Now I just need 2 more. The orange one. Oh, and I would like the strawberry one, actually. So, orange, strawberry, and 2 bananas. Okay. Wasn't that what you ordered the first time? I don't know, but I want the strawberry one. Okay. Here's your 2. 1 more. I gotta make the strawberry one. Okay. Last smoothie. Strawberry, strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Yeah. Here's your smoothie. 5 hours later. Ugh, okay. Let's go win 2 prizes. I get 2 chances. 2 chances. And then I go to my final work. 1 more. I hope I win. Yay! Hi! Hi. Yeah, a raccoon. That's awesome. Okay, let me go to my last work. Where was that? Oh, yeah. First, let me go to chillax the beach. Okay. Now my dancing one. Okay. Dance, 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 dance. Okay, now let my friend dance. Dance. Yeah, he got those moves. Oh yeah, yeah. Go Bob. Go. Sir, Shy Star. Go, 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 go. How much minutes of work do I have? Around 2 minutes. Okay. Let me just keep dancing, dancing, dance, 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 dance. Okay. Okay, now my turn to dance, Mr. Whatever Shy Star. Dance, dance. I got those moves. Okay, let me go back home. First, let me go over to my friend's house. Yeah, Shy Star. Yeah. Now let me just really. Okay, attention, all others had to Captain Manager's show off by journaling adjustments. Okay. So I guess this was it for this day. But first, I'm gonna go to that store and stuff. But anyway, this was it for this dance, and I hope people like and subscribe me. And bye.